Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin as an administrator. That gives you full control. First, create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. This protects you. Next, turn on Storage Sense and set it to remove temporary files after 7 days. This automates routine cleanup. Once done, back up critical documents to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost during deeper clean steps. Make sure to close apps and save work. This prevents file locks and speeds the process. You now move into deeper cleanup. Run disk cleanup as administrator. Include system files and Windows Update cleanup to free large, hidden space. Remove previous Windows installs only if you won't revert. Then open Settings, Apps and Features, and uninstall unused programs. Sort by size, and last use to prioritize the biggest savings. Once done, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix issues that cause slowdowns and prevent future clutter from bad components. You finish by running Storage Sense and emptying the recycle bin and temp folders to reclaim final space. Then open Task Manager, review startup, and disable or delay heavy apps. This improves boot time and responsiveness. After these steps, reboot and measure results. Check disk usage and Task Manager. If something goes wrong, use the restore point you created or boot safe mode for targeted fixes. This lets you undo changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.